Hi guys, it's Jessie here doing Ever After High. They have to follow their what's it called again? Their destinies with their fairy tale princess. But Raven doesn't want to. She's like, oh my god! No, I'm just being dramatic, but it really happened. But this is so funny. It's like the rebel side and royal side right here, because two rebels and two royals, and like she didn't follow her destiny and blah blah blah. And all those kinds of crazy stuff. But like I watch it and it's cool. I watch on Netflix. It was like only like 3 episodes, and like it should be more because on YouTube it has like more episodes. But like see, look, cause I almost finished with this for 3. But like on number 2 and stuff, they had like they didn't like separate the chapters and stuff, blah 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 blah, all those stuff. You have to find out on Netflix. Okay, now, are you a royal or rebel? Are you Raven side or Apple side? I'm telling you now, so you guys don't have to answer me and stuff. Say, are you Apple side or are you rebel? I am on the rebel side. I agree with Raven. She doesn't want to follow her destiny. She doesn't want to be like, you saw, if you didn't see the thing, you have to look on Netflix, or you have to like, look on YouTube, see what happened. Okay guys, I'll like show you probably one of the episodes, but I don't know when because I'm really busy. But that's when. Watch my other videos like Hannah Montana talking about that and stuff, and Contents of Meatballs. And once again, are you rebel or royal? I'm rebel or rebel. It just reminds me of that commercial. Are you a Fruity Pebble, like the rainbow cereal, or the chocolate cereal? I'm on the rainbow cereal. What are you also? So it's a lot of stuff to think. Are you an apple side? Are you a rebel? And what cereal do you like? Like all those kinds of crazy stuff. Okay, bye guys. Comment below. But what's the card again? Put likes and put comments. Bye.